have the kind of like palm.
Create something that doesn't require us to beg our partners to help us.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my second time filming this because the first time I didn't realize the mic wasn't on, so please let this work. So it's been a while since I last did a YouTube favorites video, so I thought I would share my favorites for the month of August. I can't believe like 8 months flew by. We're almost at the end of the year already. I would say it's an okay year so far. Not great, but not the worst. Without further ado, let's get started. Most of the things I'm going to show you today are beauty things, so if beauty is not your thing, then too bad. You still have to watch this. Let's get all of the skincare out first, okay? The first thing I want to talk about is this. This is the DOCTOB Pepta-Biome Vegan Toner. I think this is so underrated. I mean, you guys know I love my Therabody Theragun. That is a amazing hyaluronic acid toner. This one is what I use when I am so dull, I want to be bright. I layer like a whole ton of this. This one actually contains Peptide 8 complex and Biome 3 complex, so it is not only just helping you to brighten, it is full of antioxidants. It's also great at anti-aging. So fine lines, wrinkles, if you're new to anti-aging in your early 30s, I would say go for something like this. You can still use it together with your hydrating toners. That will be even better because not all the time your skin is just dull. Usually dullness comes together with dehydrated skin. So if you pair it together with the Therabody Theragun or any of your hydrating toners, I think this is going to be great. These two creams from Sulwhasoo, I always thought that Sulwhasoo was a brand meant for like more mature skin, and when I think of that, I'm like, okay, I'm sure the products are very rich, but I am so wrong. Like ever since I knew about Sulwhasoo and actually really incorporated it into my routine, I am such a convert. Y'all know I love the Ampoule I talked about in my previous favorites video. This time I want to introduce you the creams, okay? This is the concentrated ginseng rejuvenating cream. Ginseng, as we all know, is great for anti-aging, but what people don't shout out about is how it is anti-inflammatory. And when we talk about people with eczema-prone skin, acne, redness, it is all inflammation. So anti-inflammation is very important, especially in our daily lives now that we are just so full of stress. Like everyone seems to have a broken skin barrier. Ever since incorporating this, I think this is so good. My skin is much softer, more fortified, and this is the ultimate ass cream. Let's take a look at the packaging. This is like a beautiful Korean vase, and that is what I adore about this. Made with so much like culture and heritage. The cream has this like velvety kind of texture where once you apply it, your fine lines literally get smoothened out by the texture of this cream because it fills your lines. I love how my skin looks and feels after that because you can tell it is the kind that really targets fine lines. It's not meant to make your skin glowy or give your skin a lot of oils or hydration. It's really meant to make your skin soft and your pores to be blurred, as you can tell. I'm almost out. That's how much I love it. And I just found out the price of this. I'm sorry that I have to introduce something so expensive to you guys, but it works. This has to be included. I don't know how many times I included this in my favorites already. It's the DOCTOB Sargax-Pro Ampoule. I have to include this because I have been using this so much. Like, I opened a new bottle at the start of last month and I'm like almost halfway through because this month I had so many acne episodes and eczema episodes. So I used this to calm my skin down and it's been great. Speaking of healing and calming the skin down, have you guys heard of copper being used in skincare? Because I haven't, and this is Copper Tripeptide Ectoin Advanced Repair Serum from Allies of Skin. It is blue in color. Look at how interesting this texture is. But apart from just the texture, like the ingredient itself is very potent and good at healing skin. And they did a campaign where they sponsored some burn survivors. And they talk about how this serum actually helped them regenerate their skin and speed up the healing process, which I thought was very powerful. And I tried it myself. It's very expensive, but on days where you really need something like that to work, this is going to come in very handy. Same for this, okay? This is my SOS mask, best of 2023, best of 2024, and likely best of 2025 sheet mask of all time. People need to talk more about this because this brand, DOCTOB, I always only talk about it in my live streams. I don't realize why, but it's really just been a very big staple in my daily routine, and it's not even expensive, guys. For this sheet mask, I use this when my skin is at its wit's end, okay? I have nothing else that I can put on my skin. Like, it's too sensitive, it's too tight, it's too itchy, it's too red. That's when I take this out because one sheet mask, I'm good to go the next day. Like, it literally brings it back to its healthy state in one use, which is so crazy. So that's why this is the mask that I bring whenever I go overseas. Whether or not I have a big event, this is coming along with me, and I always make sure I need to have like a box in my stash on standby. Now let's talk about makeup. The first one I want to talk about is this Rare Beauty Matte Bouncy Blush in the shade Happy. I love this so much. It has like a bit of like a Play-Doh type of texture, and can you see how beautiful? This gives you a very velvety matte finish, but because this is not matte, it's not going to be clinging onto your dry patches. It's going to last, and it gives you a lot of control. I just pat it like this, and you know, compared to her soft pinch liquid blush that is quite hard to navigate, especially if you're a beginner, this is so much more beginners friendly. I can close my eyes and just do it, and even if I go in like too heavy handed, I know that I can blend it out very easily. I also like to apply this on my eyelids and even on my lips as well, and this shade is Happy. It's also thin. I love that it's good enough for me to bring overseas and throw it in my purse if I need to touch up. I don't need to touch up because the long-lasting power is there. I also want to talk about this brush alongside this. Okay, these are my two favorite brushes that I've been using a lot. It's the 13LY, 13 Rushes by Larry Yo. Can you see how cute this is? I have a YouTube video about the favorite makeup tools that I use. This is the Do It All brush. The quality of these brushes are really good. They're not only super pretty, I love that they are very different from all the other brushes that you find on Shopee or Taobao or anything, because look at this. This is the perfect size. This for a blush brush is considered small, but I like my brushes small because I like to be very precise about where I'm applying the color and the pigment. This Do It All brush literally is Do It All because it's so dense. You can use it as a foundation and it doesn't leave you with streaks, which I like. I also like it that it's angled. I can use it as a contour brush. This one can also be a blush brush, but I also use this to apply my primers and my color correctors, things that require like complexion. These two are my top picks from 13 Rushes. I love this. It's called 韩妆女团 U 型. I actually got it from Shopee. These are like used. I reuse them sometimes. But these are the 根根分明 that kind. So when you're creating a look that is very Korean style, very sweet and demure, I feel like these lashes, just pop them on and they will do any look super pretty. I'm gonna leave the link to where I bought these from. Dun dun. Does take a bit of practice because you need to add your own glue, but I like that, you know, it's quite straightforward. You can kind of put it underneath your lashes, you can put it on top of your lashes. They're also pre-cut already, so you don't have to worry about it being the whole strip and then you deciding to cut it yourself, which is extra work. I need to talk about this. So this is a new colorway of that Letter M's Executive Essential bag. If y'all don't know, I actually have a silver one. So this is a chrome one and this is the PU Black Leather. I recently launched PU Black Leather because I wanted a look that was completely different. So a different material and a different colorway from our existing chrome one. But these are very, very sleek. They carry your jewelry with you everywhere you go. They make sure that everything is organized, nothing is tangled, nothing is missing. One glance, you get to see everything. You can also bring all of your makeup, your skincare, and bring so much in this. Because of how it stands, it's able to sit on your table easily, and you can open both sides and just flap them out like this. This is where you store all your brushes, store all of your eyeliners, mascaras, brows, lipsticks. They're all gonna be here, and you see everything in one glance. Carry one bag, and it's pretty enough for you to carry it as a handbag if you want to put it on top of your luggage, if you want to carry it to work and then bring it from work to gym. You have everything in here. You can obviously put your toiletries as well. And the material is PU vegan leather, but they are water resistant. So even if it touches water, touches a little bit of makeup, you can just take a wet cloth to wipe it. That will be no issue. And I also carry a whole bunch of things, so it's able to withstand heavy weight. I've tried and tested. I'm definitely not the lightest packer. Now I have another favorite. This is from Tamburins. This is the Blue Hinoki Perfume. My favorite Tamburins scent to date. It reminds me of a really fresh ocean. Like you're smelling the rocks on the very fresh ocean. Like you're not smelling the ocean, you're smelling the rocks on the ocean. And I think that is exactly the style, because this is a rock. It is rough, it's really nice. I love the scent of this. I would say Tambourine scents don't necessarily last ultra long, but your 4 to 6 hours, it will be not a problem. Yeah, and I love this. If you're looking for a new scent, and if you're someone that likes slightly girlier but not too like candy sweet type of scents, something more fresh and florally, then go for this. And it layers really nicely with your sweet scent. I finally caved and I got myself a mini 3rd generation Theragun. This, I love I bought this because I really like the color. And number two, I have been eyeing on this for years. Ever since a Theragun was first introduced, I went to buy the dupes because I couldn't justify paying $300, $400 for a massage gun at home when Amazon or like Shopee, like there were people selling things for $30, literally like 10 to 15 times cheaper. But let me tell you, when I finally caved in, because I got myself a voucher, okay, that made sense to buy this, but I splurged everything on this, okay? This is $399 and I bought it, I think it was a 7/7 sale. So I managed to get it for like $359. It is so worth it. It's worth every cent and every penny, okay? Because if you're someone like me who deals with a lot of very tight shoulder muscles, I used to have very bulgy muscles, so much so that I've actually tried getting them Botoxed when I went to Korea, but it didn't really work because my muscles were so strong that they would come back after 2 weeks. I wouldn't recommend getting your traps Botoxed until you can find a way to move with a weakened trap muscle. Like the reason why our trap muscles are so hard and strong and tight and tensed in the first place is because we are overworking them. By literally paralyzing them with Botox, it's not going to change the way you move because you are still going to be moving the same way that you're used to all your life, except that you will find that you suddenly cannot work it anymore because your muscles are paralyzed there. So you force your way and you are building the muscles doubly hard. I wouldn't say it's a mistake. It's something that I learned. An introduction of this, you know, I'm able to slowly retrain my body to loosen this and then strengthen the other parts of the muscles that are important at getting my entire scapula to move properly. I've been doing this every single day. The way it massages you is different. Like, trust me, I have the I have the dupe versions, but this, it massages way deeper. So I kind of liken it to the one from Amazon, kind of like pounds like that, okay? But this pounds like that. So you are kind of like, that was funny. You're kind of like actually really loosening inside rather than on the surface. Like it's not about the on the surface pounding action that is making it effective. It is the way it vibrates the muscles inside to loosen up that matters. I sound like I'm being sponsored by them. I paid for this. Okay, I paid for this, but I'm a happy user. The only thing is my hands get quite sore whenever I exert pressure. Other thing is I always need to ask Matt to help me for the back. If there's a way that we can just like do it on ourselves, that would be the best. Theragun, if you're listening to this, create something that doesn't require us to beg our partners to help us. Next one. Dyson has a new hair rain. This is the Omega Hydrating Hair Oil. It looks like a mushroom. It's very cute. But I love this hair oil because look at how fine this is. It smells really nice. So it's not just a hair scent. Like it doesn't only just add scent, but it also adds a lot of shine without the weight because you really just need the tiniest amount. Can you see how shiny this is versus here? This doesn't come out as like a hair gel. This is like a hair finishing oil. More styling than actually a skincare for your hair. I love it and it just smells great. I need so little, so this bottle is gonna last me so long. And extra points for it looking cute on my vanity. I know that YouTube shopping is a huge thing now. They usually give very, very good vouchers. So I'm gonna try my best to link as many Shopee items that I talked about in this video so that you guys can get the best discounts. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this month's favorite. Let me know what are some of your favorites, and if you want me to try out anything, give me more YouTube ideas. I would love to connect more with you guys in the comments, and I'll see you guys. Bye!